Air pollution, solutions and implications for the future. Greetings, we are the young reporters for the environment. In this podcast, we will go about the environmental, economic and social effects of air pollution and what we can do to resolve this issue at the earliest. We will also be making beneficial use of statistics. If you are prepared, let's begin. Chapter 1. The implications of air pollution. Air pollution has visibly turned into a global environmental and health threat. According to World Health Organization, around 7 million humans lose their lives every year due to exacerbated levels of air pollution. Following the increase in the usage of fossil fuels such as fossil oil and coal in major cities of Turkey after the 1950s, intense waves of air pollution and life-threatening smog were observed. The 1952 Great London Smog, which caused heat inversion, has killed over 10,000 people, according to modern estimate. It is apparent that the implications of air pollution on human health are severe.
Chapter 2. Solution suggestions and individual contribution. Given all these horrible consequences of air pollution, we must come together, cooperate, and make our way to achieving environmental goals. But what can we do to reduce air pollution? We should reduce the use of fossil fuels and prefer renewable energy sources instead. We should encourage the use of public transportation and bicycles. We should contribute to forestation activities and help plant trees. We should adopt sustainable industry practices such as using cleaner production methods and install air filtration systems. We should avoid burning trash, leaves, or other materials. We should limit the use of aerosol products and opt for eco-friendly alternatives.
One of the most effective ways to combat air pollution is to reduce the use of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, which are the primary sources of harmful emissions. Instead, we should promote and invest in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal energy.
We should encourage the use of public transportation, carpooling, bicycles, and walking whenever possible. Cities should invest in expanding and improving public transit systems to make them more accessible and efficient. While individuals can make conscious choices to drive less, switch to electric or hybrid vehicles, and support urban policies that promote cycling infrastructure.
Trees act as natural air filters, absorbing carbon dioxide and other pollutants while releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Contributing to afforestation activities and supporting reforestation efforts can significantly help improve air quality. Individuals can participate in local tree planting programs, support organizations dedicated to environmental conservation, or even plant trees in their own communities. Urban planners should also focus on green spaces in cities to counteract the effects of pollution and provide cleaner air for residents.
Trash, leaves, or other waste materials releases toxic fumes and harmful particles into the air, significantly worsening pollution levels. Instead, we should adopt proper waste disposal and recycling practices to minimize pollution. Composting organic waste, segregating recyclables, and reducing overall waste production are all effective ways to lessen the environmental impact. Educating communities about the dangers of open burning and providing accessible waste disposal options can further help prevent unnecessary air pollution.
Household and personal care products contain aerosols and volatile organic compounds that contribute to indoor and outdoor air pollution. We should limit the use of aerosol-based sprays, air fresheners, and chemical-laden cleaning products, opting for eco-friendly, biodegradable alternatives instead.
Though air pollution is a vast and complex issue, every small step counts in making a difference. If individuals, communities, businesses, and governments work together, we can significantly reduce pollution levels and protect public health and the environment. Awareness, responsibility, and action are key. By making informed choices in our daily lives and advocating for sustainable policies, we can pave the way for a cleaner, healthier future for generations to come.
Air pollution is a major issue of today's world, though we have the solutions right in our hands. We can make great differences with just small adjustments. Are you ready to take a step to a healthier world with cleaner air?